Is it the right time to buy or sell SoFi stock? Today, we'll be delving deep into SoFi, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023. Make sure to stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 1, 2023, our system has identified SoFi as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.71. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 1.66%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.83% per day since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend up. This could be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is at $7.62. This level may provide a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $9.02. It could pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -17.93% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -35.97% and -21.48%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 38.82% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 17.45% and 121.48%. This translates to a price range of $9.35 to $17.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for SoFi brings exciting news. The stock price increased by 1.66% on Monday. On the last trading day, SoFi's stock price experienced a gain of 1.66%. It went from $7.83 to $7.96. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 7.78%, reaching a low of $7.65 and a high of $8.25. It's interesting to note that the stock has been rising in 7 of the last 10 days and has seen an overall increase of 16.54% in the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 23 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $356.91 million. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices may indicate a possible divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for SoFi's stock was $11.70, while the lowest price was $4.24. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 31.97%, or $3.74, lower than the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 71.83%, or $20.30, lower than the all-time high reached on February 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods upgraded SoFi's market performance. On Thursday, August 17, 2023, Citigroup gave SoFi a buy rating while recommending to hold its position. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods downgraded SoFi's performance, giving it an underperform rating. On Tuesday, July 25, 2023, Stephens initiated an equal weight rating for SoFi. On Thursday, July 13, 2023, Morgan Stanley downgraded SoFi, giving it an underweight rating. Analysts have given SoFi stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for SoFi stock. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for SoFi. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at the levels of $7.38 and $7.32. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point, and since then, the stock has risen by 20.33%. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It is worth noting that despite the stock's price gains, volume has declined during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, so it is important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to look at is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 50 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. Let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain more insights. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 44 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for SoFi. SoFi's stock has some key support levels to watch out for. Currently, it finds support just below today's level at $6.94 and $6.90. If the stock breaks this support, it may move down to the next support level at $6.90 and $6.85. It's important to keep an eye on these levels as they can indicate potential price movements. When a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support is broken, it could lead to further downside for the stock. So, it's crucial to monitor the price action around these support levels. In terms of risk, SoFi is considered to have medium risk. It has average movements during the day and good trading volume. This means that there is a decent level of volatility, but it's not too extreme. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a $0.595 movement between its high and low, which is equivalent to 7.78%. Over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 6.67%. Before we explore potential trading levels for SoFi, let's begin by understanding some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or have negative earnings. It's common for established companies to face temporary downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 29, 2024. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for SoFi. If the stock shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $7.99. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if SoFi experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $6.94. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound. The consensus among multiple analyst sources is that SoFi is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 21, 2023, Noto Anthony bought 22,500 shares of common stock. On November 14, 2023, Borton Chad M. sold 51,246 shares of restricted stock units. On November 14, 2023, Borton Chad M. bought 51,246 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Borton Chad M. sold 19,405 shares of common stock. On November 9, 2023, Noto Anthony bought 44,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -21.424, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 4,473,477 shares and sold 6,930,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $7.71, which is a decrease of 3.2%. Considering its medium daily movements, there is a moderate level of risk associated with this stock. A buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 9 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals, and the recent breakup from the falling trend suggests a potential shift in the overall trend. We believe that prices around the breaking point could indicate attractive buying levels, while the current level may also present a good opportunity for short-term investors. However, upon evaluating the volatility in movements of SoFi's stock in the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 5th, we anticipate SoFi to open with a decline of $0.0083 and commence trading at $7.95. Before we begin, let's remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Today, we'll be discussing the essential information provided by StockInvest.us. However, it's important to note that this information should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment decisions and their outcomes. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What price do you think this stock will reach? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.